Welcome to Agri-chronicles. Today we're diving deep into crop rotation, one of the oldest and most effective agricultural practices in human history. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just curious about how your food is grown, understanding crop rotation can transform the way you think about agriculture and sustainability. Did you know that crop rotation dates back thousands of years? Ancient civilizations like the Romans and Chinese used it to keep their soils fertile and productive. These early farmers observed nature closely, learning that alternating crops helped prevent soil exhaustion and kept their harvest strong year after year. Over centuries, farmers realized that growing the same crop repeatedly drained the soil and led to poor harvests. Crop rotation was their solution, and it's still a game changer for today's smart farmer. Modern agriculture may use advanced technology, but the core principle of rotating crops remains as relevant as ever. So, what exactly is crop rotation? It's the planned sequence of growing different types of crops in the same field across seasons or years. By carefully choosing which crops follow each other, farmers can harness natural processes to improve their land. Instead of planting the same crop year after year, you switch it up, helping the land recover and thrive. This approach mimics the diversity found in natural ecosystems, where no single plant dominates for long. This simple practice boosts soil health, increases yields, and reduces the need for chemical inputs. Healthy soil is the foundation of successful farming, and crop rotation is one of the best ways to maintain it. Let's dig into the science. First, nutrient management. Different crops have different nutrient needs and effects on the soil. Some crops, like corn, are heavy feeders, while others, like legumes, actually add nutrients back into the earth. Legumes like beans and peas fix nitrogen from the air into the soil, naturally fertilizing it for the next crop, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. This not only saves money but also helps protect the environment from excess chemical runoff. Next, pest and disease control. Many pests and diseases specialize in one crop. Rotating crops interrupts their life cycles, lowering infestations and disease outbreaks. This natural method of pest management means healthier crops and less reliance on chemical pesticides. This means fewer pesticides are needed, saving money and protecting the environment. Over time, this can also help prevent pests from developing resistance to chemicals, making your farm more resilient. It's like hitting the reset button for your land every season. Each new crop brings a fresh start, giving the soil a chance to recover and rebuild. Crop rotation also improves soil structure. Deep-rooted crops break up compacted soil, while shallow-rooted ones help prevent erosion. Over time, this leads to soil that's easier to work, holds water better, and supports stronger plant growth. This leads to better water retention, less runoff, and healthier plants. Good soil structure is key to withstanding droughts and heavy rains, making your farm more climate resilient. Rotating crops also support soil biodiversity, encouraging beneficial microbes, insects, and earthworms that keep the ecosystem balanced. A diverse soil life means fewer problems with disease and better nutrient cycling. So what patterns actually work? The most common is a 3 or 4 year rotation, mixing cereals, legumes, and root crops. Planning your rotation carefully can maximize the benefits for your specific soil and climate. For example, wheat, then beans, then potatoes, or corn, then soybeans, then oats, then clover. Each crop plays a unique role, setting up the next for success. On large farms, rotations often include corn, soybean, wheat, and clover, balancing nutrients and breaking pest cycles. This approach is scalable, working for both small family farms and massive commercial operations. Don't just take my word for it. Farmers and scientists worldwide swear by crop rotation. Their experience and research show that this practice leads to healthier soils, more reliable harvests, and a better future for farming. In India, the rice-wheat rotation is a staple, boosting food security and farmer incomes. This system has helped millions of farmers maintain productivity on the same land for generations. Kenyan farmers use maize legume cycles to restore soil fertility and increase resilience to drought. These rotations are especially important in regions facing unpredictable weather and limited resources. Across Europe, cover crops are rotated in to meet strict soil health regulations and reduce environmental impact. Cover crops like clover and vetch not only protect the soil during the off-season, but also add organic matter and nutrients. The economic benefits? Lower costs for fertilizer and pesticides, higher yields, and more stable profits over time. Crop rotation is an investment in your land's future, paying off year after year. Many governments even offer incentives for adopting crop rotation, recognizing its role in sustainable agriculture. These programs can help offset initial costs and encourage more farmers to make the switch. Crop rotation also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, prevents soil erosion, and helps farms adapt to climate change. By building healthier soils, farmers can store more carbon and protect their land for future generations. Ready to get started? First, plan a 3 or 4 year cycle, mixing crops with different nutrient needs and root depths. Use tools like farm management apps or simple notebooks to keep track of your rotations and results. Track your plantings, monitor soil health, and adjust as you learn what works best for your land. Don't be afraid to experiment. Every field is unique, and small changes can lead to big improvements over time. Have questions or want a tailored plan? Drop rotate in the comments and join the conversation. Share your experiences, ask for advice, and connect with a community of farmers and enthusiasts who are passionate about smarter, more sustainable agriculture. Like, share, and subscribe to Agri-Chronicles, where science meets soil and smarter farming begins. Together, we can grow a healthier, more sustainable future for everyone.